What's going on, you guys? It's your girl Charmaine, and your boy Jeremiah is not here right now. First, before we get into this video, I would like to say sorry for not posting last week. We just been really busy. In today's video, we will be showing you how we make our homemade granola. Yo, I've been trying to get that together for the longest. Homemade granola. Here's our granola with the ingredients that we have in our kitchen currently. You may add your own twist, your own take to it. You know what I'm saying? Everyone has different taste buds. So stay tuned. All right, y'all. So we have 2 cups of oats in our bowl. I got salted, roasted pepitas, aka pumpkin seeds. I actually get them unsalted. I was just in the supermarket rushing today. They're a little salty. If you want to rinse them off, you can. I think, you know what? I'm going to keep the salt on them because I usually add salt to the recipe anyway, so that's fine. Let me just pour a good amount in there. I usually chop it up. You can chop it up if you want to. I'm not going to chop it up right now. All right, so on my cutting board here, I have 10 dates. And I'm putting so many dates in there because I want it to even out with the salty taste that the pumpkin seeds have. All right, so here are my dates chopped up. I really feel like I should add a little bit more because I don't want my granola to be too salty. You know what I'm saying? I'm thinking about it. We'll see. So here's my granola. I gave it a nice good toss. I'm about to add some coconut sugar to it. This is the coconut sugar I'm using. Lastly, I added some sprinkles of flaxseed. I preheated my oven to 350 degrees. And I'm gonna add some water to it just to dampen the oats and everything in here, so when I put it on the baking sheet, it can evenly cook. So here's my granola. I added a few drops of water. I really didn't add that much from opening it to. I just poured a little bit in there. You want to get your granola to the point where it's like it creates a ball. So it's like it's sticky enough to where it's not like mushy. And then you can pop it in the oven. I do feel like I needed some more dates. So I might chop some more up and put it in before I pop it in the oven. Alright, I'm gonna let my granola bake in the oven for about 10, maybe 15 minutes. My oven gets really hot, so I'm just gonna go with the 10-minute mark and then check it. And just to see if it needs to be rotated or put back in, I'm gonna toss it around. Be right back. Hey y'all, so I'm back. Here's my granola, the first round. I know it's looking kind of ashy, but it's all good. Yes, I use Quaker Oats. You could use organic rolled oats, but I use Quaker Oats. So I'm giving it a toss, and then I'm gonna put it back in the oven for another 10 minutes. You want your granola to be dry when it comes out of the oven. And if it's not fully dry, just let it sit out for a few minutes and it'll eventually dry. All right, y'all. Here's my finished product. I'm gonna let it cool off because it's still like a little wet in certain areas, but I don't want to keep it in the oven because I don't want my granola to burn. But here it is. It's nice and brown, it's nice and dark. I'm gonna let it sit for about 10 minutes and then I'm gonna store it in a container. Peace, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and share to our YouTube channel. Also follow our Instagram at Baking for J-Man, and we'll see you in our next video. Peace.